Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix multiple shipping method showing on cart page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see we have two shipping method, shipping, free shipping, and then you see flat rate $30. Now go to WooCommerce setting and we are in shipping zone worldwide, and then you see shipping method, free shipping, click on edit. So we apply free shipping if order amount minimum 250. So after 250 apply free shipping. Now close and then you see flat rate, so click on edit. So we apply flat rate $30. So we want when order amount below 250, then we are going to apply flat rate, and when order amount above 250, then we are going to apply free shipping. So that's why we have two shipping method. Now close. But on cart page, when our order is exceeded over 250, now you see both shipping method, free shipping, flat rate. Now decrease quantity and then click on update cart. Now you see our order amount is 210 subtotal, and then you see flat rate $30. When order amount is below than 250, you only see one shipping method, that is correct, but our order amount increase, update cart over 250, then you will see two shipping method. Now you see free shipping, flat rate. So we are going to hide and we are going to display only one shipping method, depend on condition. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see check if the cart total is 250 or more. So our condition is 250, so you can add your amount here. So above order amount 250, we are going to apply free shipping. Below we are going to apply flat rate, and then you see remove flat rate shipping if the total is 250 or more. Now you see flat rate colon 43. So this is our flat rate ID. Now go to cart page. Now you see flat rate. So right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are going to find out flat rate ID, and now inspect element open, and then you see input type radio, and then you see ID shipping method flat rate 43. Now you see value. So we are using this value in custom code. Now close, back to code. Now you see flat underscore rate colon 43. So is set. So we are going to remove it if our order amount is above 250. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to WooCommerce. So this is our two shipping method. So we are going to remove cache first. Now disable and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable it again. Now enable and then click on save changes again. So in this way you can remove cache. So after that code will work properly. Now go to cart page and then you see subtotal 270, and then you see two shipping method. Now refresh the page. So after that flat rate shipping method will remove. Now you see only you see free shipping method. Now we are going to decrease quantity again, update cart. So after that you will see flat rate shipping method. Now you see flat rate shipping method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.